What's up, Titans? It's Curtis here, and today I want to show you the new update we applied to the Merch Titans automation app called Easy Mode, which you can find here. And it could not be easier to upload designs to Amazon Merch, RedBubble, Spreadshirt, TeePublic, and even Printful using the Merch Titans automation app combined with our AI capabilities. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how this works real quick. You click Easy Mode. Now you can click here to select designs, or you can just drag and drop them. You don't have to set up a spreadsheet anymore. I know that was a big deal for a lot of you. So I'm going to grab these three designs, just drag them in. And you can see they're all populated. So I'm going to go next, select platforms. Now from here, you can choose the platforms you want to upload to. So I'm just going to keep it simple and we'll stick to Amazon Merch. Go load settings. So the settings page may look a little different for you when you see this, but you can ignore this because your settings you set at the level here before you start uploading. And we have videos for all of those. So going back, and we go next, input data. So right here, if you scroll down, you can see for Amazon Merch, we got all the fields: title, description, Amazon Merch brand, Merch Bullet 1 and Merch Bullet 2, and of course our design. Now you could go through and enter these manually, or you could just go analyze images. And I'm gonna say I want the title, description, and brand. You could also generate Bullet 1 and Bullet 2, so we'll just do everything here. And start analysis. So our AI will now scan your design and write your product listings for you, and see how fast that was. And it's optimized for Amazon Merch. It's not always perfect, but it gets a lot of the heavy lifting done. So you're going to go through and adjust these however you see fit. And while I'm on this page, you can update any of these fields. If you want to just clear a field, you can select it here and hit clear field, then add your own text in bulk, or you can do it manually one by one. But you have all your fields there just so you understand that. But yeah, festive baseball of reindeer, antlers, Santa hat, and Christmas lights. I got everything here. Bigfoot Christmas. It's got it, understands it. Festive football, Christmas reindeer, Santa hat with holiday lights. So just like that, you have everything done. You can just drag and drop your designs. You can hit start upload. Get a preview here, and this should be improved too when you see this page. It'll show a little preview of your designs. You got the title here, and you can just click start upload. That opens up Amazon Merch. And based on your settings here, which in this case have publish settings, it's going to automatically publish those products and go through all of them until it's complete. It's really, really nice. All right, now with that being said, we do have tutorial videos, as you can see here, for all the different platforms. And all these are up to date, like RedBubble's using templates. Spreadshirt, you can use the full settings or templates. And TeePublic here. So I was going to remake those, but everything's still relevant, so I suggest you look and watch those videos here in the Merch Titans dashboard, right on the home page there. If you want to go do the getting started guide that goes over spreadsheets, but you don't necessarily need spreadsheets anymore. And this is the new tutorial for Amazon Merch using publish settings, which I highly recommend. Now I'm going to show you what those publish settings look like real quick, just so you can, if you're watching this video, I'll show you what that looks like for Merch by Amazon and RedBubble. So if I go over to Amazon Merch here, you go to the create page, and publish settings are great. You can go to select products. You could select the platforms you want, and of course the different t-shirts you want, or products I mean. In this case, I'll just go with these here, and hit continue. And you can see those are enabled. Now you can go click into these. You can choose youth, girls, women, men, etc. Choose all the colors you want, input your pricing. And then do that for all the products here. And when you're done, you can come down to the bottom and just hit save publish settings. And that's it. Now every time you go to the create page, those publish settings are in place. And I highly recommend that when using Merch Titans. You just go to Amazon Merch, and your settings are as simple as use publish settings, yes. You can save it as a draft, and that is it. Now you can just drag and drop your designs. So if you had 50 designs, you can go to easy mode, drag and drop them in, start the process, analyze your listing data. I recommend if you're using our Vision AI data here with Analyze Images, you probably save it to draft early on, but it does a really good job overall. That way you can preview the data before you actually publish it. But that's it for the Amazon Merch side. Now for RedBubble, it's really easy. You go to add new work. You go through just kind of like Amazon Merch. You upload a design, you position it, you choose your colors, and you choose what products you want enabled. And then you basically publish that listing. Once it's published, you go here, go copy settings. You can just right click that and say copy link address. And over in Merch Titans, you go to RedBubble, template URL. You just paste that there. And then you can choose your products accordingly here too, but you don't necessarily need to. And that's it. That's that easy. So that is pretty much it. Again, all the actual tutorial videos are here in the Merch Titans dashboard. But I wanted to show you the new easy mode publishing, show you how to set up Amazon Merch and RedBubble with the publishing settings. so that you can very quickly download the Merch Titans app and start publishing designs right away. And I'm going to go back to easy mode one more time. And let's go back to the platform step. I'm going to uncheck Amazon Merch. But by the way, you can check multiple and generate the data for multiple. But let's go through just so I can show you. Analyze images. We'll do title, descriptions, and tags because now this is for RedBubble. And let that run. Shouldn't take long. And it's done. So there you go. You can see the data is just different. Got tags now for RedBubble for all those listings very quickly. So I can just hit start upload. I've had my publishing URL in there from RedBubble, and that's it. If you have 50 designs, it'll be done in no time. But that's it. If you have questions, let me know by leaving a comment below. This is the first wave of new updates coming to Merch Titans in quite a while. So I'm really excited to share those with you, and your feedback is always welcome. If you have ideas or suggestions that we may be missing, please let us know and we will take care of it. That's it. We'll talk soon.